What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. I'm going to take a look at Gala Games. Currently sitting at 0.0178. We're up 1% on the day. Seeing market cap 618 million. 24-hour volume 66 million. So if we pop into the chart, I think there's a decent chance that Gala is going to come lower towards these wick lows in the wave forward before bouncing back to the upside. We could bounce from this yellow box, but looking at BTC, looks like overshooting wave B unless we push up and create a 5-wave move, which means BTC can push all the way back to 56.6K, which would potentially break this low and come a little bit lower towards 0.01658 in my opinion before bouncing back to the upside. We do have a double bottom, but even if we come a little bit lower, we can put in a triple bottom. So I do think we will see turnaround soon, but it's slow, it's choppy. It is what it is. But if we look at Gala on the daily chart, as I've been mentioning, we are putting in that lopsided head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders. I do think there's a pretty good chance that it does hold and we come up and break that neckline. That will take you up towards 0.0297 and reverse us back to the upside. As you can see, these daily EMAs are about to squeeze more tightly here. And I do think we will see that push over the next few weeks back to the upside. Just looking at BTC coming down to at least 56.6, that will give us a deeper pullback for our friend Gala Games. But if Bitcoin does end up pushing, we create a 5-wave move, then we're going to see continuation up, and this is a shallow wave 2, but your wave 2 does usually at least come down to the 50% fib level. So that's what I'm looking at for Gala. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX, one of the few exchanges where you can trade futures in North America. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world. 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees when you sign up through my link, top of the comments. Join my free Discord where I give my daily crypto analysis for many projects, as well as my Forex signals. We've been hitting our take profits on our gold trades this week. So all links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.